In environmental news, a Brazilian inventor's solar heater invention benefits many. More than 13,000 people in the nation are using solar heaters modelled after the one constructed by Mr. Jose Alano in 2002 from used plastic bottles and cartons. In the state of Paraná, government-sponsored workshops have been held to help people in making their own. The innovation not only reduces energy costs but also promotes the recycling of plastic bottles. Mr. Alano, who is now working on a multifunctional bed to assist people with disabilities, said, "I don't consider myself an inventor. I am just a citizen trying to find solutions to problems." Bravo, Mr. Jose Alano, on your sustainable heater and dedication to improving the lives of others. We wish you much success in your future creations.